Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to use Google Translate. So let me open my Google Translate. So this is the home screen, and up here we have different languages. However, they can be changed depending on the language that you're using Google Translate for. So generally speaking, the left side will always be that language that you want to translate, and the right side will be that language that you know, the language that you can speak well. But if you want to translate a specific language and it's not displayed among these ones, then you just have to click on this drop down to display more languages, and then you can scroll through to find a particular language that you want to translate. For example, I want to translate German to English. Sorry. So I'm going to have to scroll down to find German. It's right here. And then I'll make sure I have chosen English on the right side. Then I can enter in my German text. And you can see that it has been translated from German to English. But this works if you know the language. Now, like, I know that this one is in German, so I can choose German and then type it in to get its translation in English. But imagine you go to a different country, maybe like France. Well, you expect everyone to be speaking French, and then you meet this one person and they say something that is not even in French. You're sure that it's not French, but you don't know what the language is and you don't even know what it means. So what you can do, you can always come here to detect language up here, and then you just have to enter in your text. Like, you just have to enter in what they have said. Let's imagine the person has said ni hao. Yeah, you can see that it has been translated to English and it means hello, and it has been detected here as Chinese. And the best part is that you can see that what I have typed in does not have the tone marks, because usually pinyin always has tone marks so that you can know how the words are pronounced. And you can see here they have given me the Chinese characters down here. This is good because it also helps you to learn the language. For example, here I'm going to try to translate from English to Chinese. So I'm going to choose English on the left side, yeah, and then this one will be Chinese. Let me make it simplified. Let's just leave it there. Yeah, so I'm going to enter in So I'm going to type in R U, okay, and you can see that it has been translated to traditional Chinese. It is showing you the Chinese characters, and it's also showing you pinyin, so that way you can know how to even pronounce the word. Yeah, and even how to read it. You can even click here to know how it's pronounced.
你还好吗?
Yeah, and you can, if you want to reverse it, you just have to click these two opposite facing arrows, and then it will be reversed from Chinese to English. There are also other few ways you can translate with Google. Let's say you're chatting with someone in French and they send you a text but you don't understand what it means. All you have to do is copy that text, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. You just have to highlight the particular text that you want to translate, Let me see, I want to translate the whole of this. So all I have to do is copy, and then I'll go back to my Google Translate. Since it is French, then I have to make sure that on the left side I have chosen French. Then I'll go here, choose French, and this side it should always be the language that you understand. Yeah, so let's remove this and then paste. And you can see that it has been translated to English on this other side. So it makes communication easy because it is easier for me to read this. And maybe you can, if you're talking to someone and they are speaking a different language, maybe let's say it's French and they say something, then you can just type it in and then show them what you're trying to mean. And also, if you're chatting with someone, let me say someone speaks English and for you're speaking French, or maybe you're speaking French and they're speaking English, then all you have to do is type in what you want to tell them. After typing it in, then you can just show them and they read, and then they will know what you're trying to say. Alright everyone, that's all about Google Translate. Thanks for watching, and I hope you've learned something. Please don't forget to follow, subscribe, like and comment. So thanks everyone for watching. Bye bye.